Hi, I'm Josh Ziering, co-founder and chief pilot of Kittyhawk.io. Today, I want to talk about where Kittyhawk is going and what we're thinking about. For years, we've had people trying to compete with our industry-leading enterprise software. And we understand that leading the market means setting the tone, setting the pace, and bearing the responsibility of innovation. And so, as you might have guessed, we're looking to the future. And part of that is developing something new, something exciting. Kittyhawk is not going to be just software. Kittyhawk is moving into hardware. I want to introduce to you the brand new Kittyhawk logbook. This revolutionary piece of hardware stands to threaten the very incumbents upon which it was built. This piece of hardware is going to change the way people manage drone flight operations. No longer do you have to worry about complicated smartphones, batteries, and real-time information. Now, you can just take things and put them in a book. This isn't just innovation, this is disruption.
When we were designing the Kittyhawk pilot logbook, we didn't take any shortcuts. In fact, the faux leather binding is even made out of real faux leather. We've cut all the corners as perfectly as possible. When it comes to aviation, accuracy is key.
When we were thinking about the business model for the Kittyhawk logbook, we were trying to figure out what's the best way to scale a drone operation. And over again, we just kept thinking, yeah, books are expensive. Why don't we just make books? That was the way that we thought about the Kittyhawk logbook. The great thing about the Kittyhawk logbook is that there's no shortage of amazing features. It conveniently fits anywhere you want to go. It's easy to take with you. And most importantly, you can never lose it, ever. You know, the other great thing about the Kittyhawk logbook is that there's so much data integrity. You don't have to worry about anyone absconding with your data or even making copies of it. Ziering, yeah, no, I have my logbook. Okay, last Tuesday? Okay, hold on, let me see if I can find it. Yeah, okay, here we go. Class Bravo airspace? Who did? I did? I was in Class Bravo? No, I don't think I was. That doesn't. The Kittyhawk logbook is easy to use anywhere and any place. You just open it up and does anyone have a pen? One of the things that we've done is try to make sure that we're platform agnostic. This piece of technology works with any other piece of technology that you might have. It's really game-changing. And with the Kittyhawk logbook, you have all of your drone operations solved. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go fly. Uh-oh.
Looking for this?
I was looking for that.
Yeah.
Coming soon.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. We had such a good time making this video. I want to thank all the Kittyhawkers who stuck around late on a Friday helping me do these shenanigans. And as we all know, drone operations are no joke. If your enterprise is looking to safely and compliantly scale your drone operations, give us a call because this isn't going to do it for you. From all of us here at Kittyhawk, happy April Fool's Day.